Hello, this is Matt from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Okay, the only tool that was needed was just basically a drill with a 1/4 inch bit on it, or you could just use a standard 1/4 inch nut driver. Well, what we have is a Whirlpool dishwasher, pretty standard. Customer's complaint is that it's not washing the dishes. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set it to a fill. Just advance it through. So you hear it start filling. We checked under the sink, made sure the shut-off valve to the dishwasher is open, which it is. And we're just going to let it fill and see how much water we get inside of it. Now, while this is filling, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the 4 screws for the bottom panel and get a look at the plumbing that's coming into it. Make sure we don't have a kink in the water line or well, this is how much water we're getting in there. You can see still a little bit low as far as the amount of water we would like to see in the unit, and you can tell by the amount of soap that's kind of left over that it didn't dissolve all the soap the first time. Basically all I've done so far was just completely shut the valve off, the shut off under the sink, and then opened it back up to free any calcium that might be in there. But what we're going to do is take the line off going to the inlet valve of the dishwasher. Basically we'll shut the shut off underneath the sink off, remove the line, and then we're going to turn it back on to check the pressure coming into the dishwasher. I'm going to go ahead and stick a little towel underneath there. Remove the line. Go ahead and just put it right into the bowl here. And that was the full water pressure coming through this shutoff. So the water pressure going to the dishwasher is going to be a little bit low. So basically by opening and closing the shutoff valve, we did free up some calcium. It's got a lot more water in there than it originally had the first time we ran the unit. So the only way that it could get any more water pressure to the unit would be actually calling a plumber or replacing the shutoff valve that's underneath the sink. So it's not going to be actually an issue with the dishwasher. It's just not getting enough water to wash the dishes. So we're going to go ahead and hook the line back up and leak check it. And that's going to be about all we can do with this particular unit here. Now we got the line hooked back up, we're just gonna open the valve, just check for leaks. So we got the valve wide open, just let it sit there for a few seconds, make sure we don't have any leaks. Everything looks good, so we're just gonna put the bottom panel back on and that'll be it. Just gonna put the 4 screws back on for the bottom panel here. Okay, that's going to complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.